Good morning everyone, welcome back to my other new video. So after a couple of days later, I'm going to making this video for practicing my English. So dear friends, right now I have come here to practice my English at my festival field. As you can see in front of me, this is my festival field. Look over there. Actually this is my own festival field. You can see there are lots of Malabar spinach plants over here, and you can see this is our little jute leaf field over here. So actually after many days I have come here to visit this field for my business. So actually ব্যস্ততার কারণে আমার বিশেষ করে এই সবজির ক্ষেতে আসা হয় না, but today I have got some free time, so that's why right now I have come here to visit this field and practicing my English right now. And you can see behind me there are 3 paddy seed bed over here. Actually this is our own paddy seed bed. We have made this field for implanting paddy seed. আসলে আমরা এই জমিগুলোকে প্রস্তুত করেছি আমাদের ধানের বীজতলা ছিটানোর জন্য। So right now I will show you our another field. Actually this is our pointed gourd field. Look over there. This is our little and beautiful pointed gourd field, and I will show you some pointed gourd. Look over there. There are lots of pointed gourd over here in this field. Look, there are so many pointed gourd over here. আসলে এটা আমাদের নিজস্ব পটলের জমি, and you can see আপনারা দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন এখানে অনেক পটল ধরে রয়েছে, and look over there, there are lots of birds pointed gourd birds over here and flower on this stage, as you can see. And I will show you the other side of this field. You can see I'm surrounding around this field, as you can see. Look over there, the condition of this field. Actually I'm an English learner, so that's why I always try to make English video in my free time and practicing my English. And I will show you a little snake. Look in front of me, a little snake over here, a beautiful snake in front of me. Actually I don't know the English name of this snake. Look over there, this is a beautiful snake, as you can see. So actually I don't fear of this snake. So dear friends, actually I'm an English learner. আমি একজন ইংলিশ শিক্ষার্থী, so that's why I always try to make my English video only for my English practicing purpose. And without practice you can't develop your English speaking skill. So that's why I always try to practice my English by making these types of English video. So you can practice your English and making these types of English video and learn this English language. So that is the main thing. So dear friends, no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Keep watching, keep learning.